What's the craziest comment have you received from your sexy photos online? Or funniest?
Alam mo, ang dami kong nababasa na sinasabi, luluhuran. So yun yung madalas na mabasa ko.
Oh my gosh. So do you get used to it?
It's fine, you know, everybody can say whatever they want to say. Whether it's positive, negative, I don't really, you know, mind.
But how many briefs or boxers do you think should guys have?
Oh, wow, that's a very good question. I never thought about that. Feeling ko you have to have a solid set of maybe 30 pieces. At least. Because me, I think I have more. So whatever happens, you know, may masira man, or, you know, hindi man malaban, you know, you always have spare.
And then it's a mix and match of both boxers and briefs, or do you have more of the other one?
To be honest, I don't wear briefs anymore. It's always boxer brief. I feel
Why
like
is that?
it's, I don't know, mas comfortable siya eh. So sometimes, di ba, parang yung fit lang ng brief, sometimes parang, parang minsan naging uncomfortable yung position. But with the boxer brief, it's just like you're wearing shorts.
And then you can wear that for work, for exercise.
Exactly. And you can. I feel like you can change anywhere, you know, if you're wearing boxer brief.
You said because you have a lot. 30 is a lot, right?
More than
So,
I
for undergarment care for men, when do you dispose underwear? Or would you know what's the oldest brief or boxers you have in your dresser?
Alam mo, problema ko yan. Minsan, meron ako mga bacon na na hindi ko tinatapon. I think it's a guy thing. Hindi nila tinatapon. You know, minsan nga, yung, actually, minsan mommy mo pa or kapatid mo pa yung magtatapon. Pag nakita na, ano ba ito, tatapon nila. Tapos hahanapin mo, nasa na yung ganito kong brief? Ang luma na noon, tapon mo na yun, favorite ko yun. So, I think it's a guy thing, you know.
And then you wear it on your sleep, parang gano'n. Kaya you still want it?
Right now,
I think you can wear
I
that
think I
outside.
wear boxers shorts when I'm sleeping.
Okay.
Yeah. I feel like you need to make them breathe. You know.